picture of this. So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished capping off some piping. We had some underground piping that came from the meter. A 2-inch line dropped down into soil and broke over here. Did a loop, picked up this little portion that goes over to the mechanical units up out of soil. And so what we did, the PG&E is going to be out to put in some new meters to isolate these buildings so they can bill separately. What we did is we just cut everything out over here, put a 90 and a riser on, stubbed up. Later the homeowner, the building owner, will be piping over to the new meter to provide gas to these 2 units right here. Second, they had a line, once this hit the loop in the ground, it came back over and it came up right here and tied into the building and ran up and over to all the buildings. And so we cut that all apart and again cap it off right there. It's not super tight. The reason why it's going to come back off anyway so that you can get it tied back in. But that was the second portion. And of course, this is just a plug in the bottom. This is where everything started. So it's plugged off. PG&E can be contacted, let them know, hey, this is what we did. Hopefully they just take a picture and they'll be like, yep, you're good to go. Or maybe they want to come out and test it again. But you know, the valve's right there and you just crank it on and you're ready to go. But everything looks good outside of that. This installation is done.